Still sharpening circular blades by hand, it's inefficient and inconsistent. Automatic circular knife grinding machine. Each machine is built with strict craftsmanship, stable performance, and robust rigidity. Simple operation, easy for ordinary workers to learn at a glance, hassle-free and efficient. Automatic wheel dressing after rough grinding, seamlessly connecting to fine grinding. Based on stability and aiming for efficiency, we make every grinding process more precise and reliable. Even ordinary workers can easily produce standardized tools.